Hey everyone, Randy, Dawn, and a marathon coach. We're at Port St. Lucie Resort this weekend. Have our big show going on. Everyone inside having fun. I am here with Casey Hess.
Yay,
from
Casey!
our Florida store. So what coach do we have here from Florida?
Right here we're in coach 1308, which is a new 2020 bunk coach. So it has 2 of our convertible bunks. As you can see, we have a lot of people all weekend that are walking through and just amazed at the beautiful quality of these coaches.
Yeah, and we have what, 5 coaches here I think this weekend.
5 this weekend.
I think we have 1308, and then we also have our latest and greatest, which is a 21, which is coach 1316, which is an incredible coach. So yeah, keep watching, and we'll show you some of the other coaches, and we'll maybe get you some footage of all the people inside having a great time at this marathon party this weekend. So keep watching Randy, Dawn, and the marathon coach, and if you're in Florida, come and see Casey.
Yep.
Oh. Thanks for swinging in and seeing it. What do you think?
Oh, so awesome.
Aw, thank you.
It's beautiful. I love the colors.
We're gonna go explore a little bit and see what we're...
Well, this one has a dynamic ours.
Yeah.
We have this. We have these 2 chairs.
This is where you'd sit.
Yeah.
So which one's the favorite now?
This one.
This one? Really? Over that one?
Yeah.
Why? What's the reason?
the colors inside.
Like the colors. So what do you think?
I love it. It's beautiful.
You love it?
Yeah.
So you're on Randy, Dawn, and a marathon coach. So
Hey.
what do you love about this coach?
Everything.
Everything.
It's beautiful.
So what stands out to you about this coach?
The design,
Design?
the look of it. I like the colors.
Great colors.
It's beautiful. I love this. The tiny
Yes,
too.
to hide
Yes,
the micro.
hide it,
Yes,
yeah.
to hide the appliance.
Yeah, very
And
nice.
you know you can hide this too.
No, it did
Yeah,
not.
watch.
Very
So you
nice.
can hide everything.
Really, really nice.
Isn't that nice?
It is nice.
very nice. Beautiful.
So you're all on Randy, Dawn, and a marathon coach right now. So you need to tell us what you love about this coach.
I like the shower.
The shower.
Shower is really
Yeah.
nice.
Shower.
Now, where is Marathon Coach located?
Well, the coaches are built in Eugene, Oregon.
Okay.
And then we have a location in San Antonio, Florida, which is just north of Tampa. And then we have one in Dallas, Texas.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. So are you guys all residents here?
We are.
We are.
Okay.
Yeah.
They're visitors.
Yep.
Yeah.
Awesome. Enjoying it?
Enjoying it. We would enjoy if we had a marathon.
Well, there you
Yes,
go.
we would.
If
We
you hook us
would.
up, we'll
Yes.
spend it
There.
out.
Yes, we
There you
could
go.
stay. Yes.
And we did not pay her to say that. This was on a whim.
Yes.
And
this
she
is
said that.
perfect.
Yes.
How
Yes.
many of these you guys doing?
We do 26 this year. We'll do 26 in 2020. Yep.
Here's a question for you. The hardest part we have is service.
Yes.
Us, you guys,
Yep.
it's hard everywhere to find.
It is hard everywhere, but you
Yeah.
know what? Marathon really does a great job in San Antonio. We have some of the best service guys
do.
that are there.
So you take, do you like, if we bought one, we could always,
Yep.
depend on going to one
Yep.
of your locations.
We have a campgrounds there, so you can stay there. You can have
Nice.
hookups. Stay right at the campgrounds while we service your coach.
Basically, just
Cool.
call ahead, make
Yep.
the appointment, and
Yep.
they'll be
It's-
ready for you.
It's one thing we never hear is that service is
issues,
bad.
yeah, because that's what everyone in the, right?
Yep.
It's
You're
important.
hearing, I'm sure you're hearing that about every other coach.
We do. We hear it a lot. So yes.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Randy, Dawn, and a marathon coach. We're just finishing up our marathon weekend here at Motor Coach Resort of Port St. Lucie. It's been a great. We've been here about almost 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks, and had a lot of people at the party. A lot of people going through the coaches, and
It's been
so,
a lot
yeah,
of fun.
It's been a lot of fun. So.
We'll be back here again the February 8th, I believe, the second Saturday in February, and then also again the first weekend of March. We'll
Yep.
be back up here. So
Yeah, and if you're in the area, we actually had some marathon owners come down with their
Oh,
coach kind of
yeah.
last minute, and they were able to get a spot. The Case
Yes.
family came down to see us, which was really cool, and they spent the weekend here.
joined us for the dinner and
Yeah.
the party, and then looked through all the other coaches. So if you're in the area, be sure you stop in.
Yeah, reach out to either Dawn or myself,
Yeah.
and we'll see if whether it's just for a couple nights or whatever. They're very full, but a lot of times there's a little gap
There
where they
is.
can get a couple nights. So we'd love to see you, love to meet you. So yeah, reach out and keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a marathon coach.
Safe travels.